Hey everyone, welcome back to Lgqueen Home Decor. I'm so excited to take you on today's journey where my husband and I had the opportunity to give this beautiful mansion a living room makeover. You will be seeing the before, the after, and all the details in between. I hope all of this will inspire and give you ideas for your very own space. We will also be tackling other rooms of this home such as the kitchen, nook, office, and bedroom soon, so make sure to be on the lookout by having your notification bell on for when I upload content in the next upcoming weeks. As a gratitude for stopping by, I will be giving away $100 for today's video to one winner. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment what was your favorite part of the video below. I will announce the winner in my description box 1 week from today. Now let us show you all how we put everything together. This concludes today's video, and I'm so glad you tuned in. After we had finished this makeover, the owners were so amazed by the transformation and were so happy to have an all-new living room. It was also an honor for us to be invited into their home and help the vision come to reality for them. I want to thank everyone who watched from the beginning to the end today and all of my followers for being here. My goal was to give you ideas and inspiration for your very next project. I can't wait to share all the upcoming content soon. Until then, take care.